Hello, everyone. My name is Miguel Chapa, VP of Business Development. Myself and Sam Rizon will be walking you guys through the 2022 relationship kickoff for Desert Financial Credit Union and Newtek Business Service Corp. So first, I just want to go through the agenda. We're going to be discussing who is Newtek and Desert Financial Partnership, the Newtek referral process, identifying payroll clientele, Newtek's payroll solution, case study, referral incentive program for Desert Financial staff, payroll promotion for members, Q&A, and important contacts to know. So first, I'd like to go through who Newtek is. Founded in 1998, publicly traded, ticker symbol NEWT since 2000. We're a non-bank, non-depository entity. We're the largest non-bank government guaranteed lender in the US in 2021. Provides uninsured payroll processing guaranteed 15% cheaper than ADP and Paychex. 24/7 live customer support. We execute business in all 50 states, and we have over 100,000 separate business accounts with Newtek. Newtek and Desert Financial have been partnered since 2014, and they specifically partnered with Newtek so we can work on developing payroll accounts and HR solutions for your members. And we're going to be launching an incentive program benefiting the Desert Financial staff who submits these referrals as well. I want to go ahead and introduce Sam Rizon, who's going to be walking you through the payroll sales cycle.
Hi, everyone. Samantha Rizon, Director of Payroll Operations at Newtek. An overview of the sales cycle from when you first submit the referral. The referral will then be passed along to Newtek, and a business service specialist known as a BSS will be assigned to the referral. From there, the BSS will be the main contact to the member. They will reach out via phone, email, and text to get in contact with the member. Throughout the process, they'll work on quoting the business, identifying any efficiencies that are needed, and delivering them a proposal. Once a proposal is agreed upon, the payroll account goes to implementation, and the account is then opened. The implementation specialist will reach out to the member to do the training, run the first 2 payrolls with them to ensure that they are up to speed on the system. Once onboarding is complete and implementation is complete, a client service representative will be assigned. This will be their dedicated client support representative. They'll have their direct phone number and their direct email for any payroll questions while they're a client with Newtek. To identify payroll clientele, there is no business that's too small or too big for Newtek Payroll. We service any size business. We have employees, counts of 1 employee, as well as thousands of employees. So anyone that you speak to in your daily course of business, as long as they have only 1 employee, we can assist them. We can also assist them with their HR needs, whether it's a small business needing help or a large business needing help with performance reviews or corrective action reports. We can really fully service any size business. An overview of Newtek Payroll. We are competitive in the market with ADP, Paychex, Paylocity. We give a free quote and have an easy enrollment process. We offer savings, like mentioned by Miguel, 15% from the competitors to ensure that there is also an incentive for the client to switch to Newtek. We have a full tax suite of solutions, and they do not have to outsource any pieces of their payroll process outside of Newtek Payroll. We offer unlimited direct deposits, live check options where they can print back on site, or we can print and ship to them. We also have general ledger integration with QuickBooks and other general ledger softwares. We can also grant CPA account access for full transparency to the payroll system. We also assist with time and attendance through time clocks, virtual clocks, or mobile punching. In addition to all of these added services, we also do have that concierge support that is available 24/7. Additional services are listed here that you can reference when speaking to your members. time and attendance tracking and reporting, open enrollment for open enrollment online. So everything is done electronically. Documents can be stored, shared, and signed by new employees. We also, like I mentioned, have general ledger integration to QuickBooks and other platforms to ensure easy access to accounting data for both the client and for the CPA. There is 24/7, 365 access to our system through any web-enabled device. So that can be a mobile phone, a laptop, a tablet, anything that you can access the internet from. And again, we do pride ourselves on the dedicated customer support specialist who is specifically assigned to the member after implementation takes place. We wanted to present to you a case study of a recent win of a Desert Financial member. Within this slide, you will see the details of this win. In November, we were approached by a member from Desert Financial that was using Sage as their payroll system. There was a lot of manual work when it came to processing payroll, running reports, adding hires. They also did not have a dedicated customer service rep and were desperately in need of one. We were able to help them by assigning them a dedicated customer support representative to also assist them with the manual work they were doing for payroll processing. We were also able to create a general ledger import into their accounting software to make it easier to track payroll information. They no longer have to enter any data manually, and we were able to help them with an import. Additionally, there were immediate savings as we were able to compete with the invoice that they provided from Sage. This client has been with Newtek Payroll since January 2022 and continued to be impressed with the system from previous provider Sage.
Great, thank you so much, Sam. So this is really the payroll referral incentive program that I mentioned at the beginning. So for each successful payroll close, each staff member will receive a $25 incentive on their paycheck. As far as the promotion that we're going to be running for the members, always seems to be an exciting promotion, but if they do decide to move forward with us, they're going to receive 3 months free of payroll processing.
And we've reached the question and answer portion of the presentation. So I'll read the question aloud and then Sam or Miguel, feel free to jump in with an answer. So the first question I have is, how can I tell the status of my referral?
Yeah, you can definitely always reach out to myself or Samantha. The contact information will be provided at the end of the presentation, but you can also certainly reach out to your BDO or business development officer. They would be able to give you the status right away.
Thanks, Miguel. And the second question here is, what is the normal callback time once a referral is submitted?
Yeah, the normal callback time is typically 24 to 48 hours for a callback time after a referral has been submitted.
The next question we have is, what is the normal cost for payroll services, especially after the member has completed their 3-month free offer?
Thanks, Sam. So the normal cost for payroll services varies based on what the member's needs are. It's hard to exactly pinpoint a price to give out because it is variable based on the add-on services that they need, the amount of employees they have, and how often they run payroll. However, we are competitive in the market, and as we mentioned, we always try to save at least 15% from competitors in the market to ensure this is a cost-efficient change for the member.
All right. The next question is, when will I receive the payout for booked business?
So we estimate the payout for book business will be received between 30 and 60 days from the account being opened. This will depend on the payroll schedule for Desert Financial, but you can refer to your BDO as well for any additional information.
And the next question is, what is the difference between Newtek Payroll and other competitors such as ADP and Paychex?
The differentiator between Newtek Payroll and other competitors is definitely our customer service support. In addition to being able to give a cost incentive to the member, we are also able to add in that layer of superior customer service. In recent times, ADP, Paychex, and some of the other bigger name brands have gone to a more live chat feature or chat bot feature, which we do not intend to transfer to, which also increases our level of customer support in comparison for members who do need direct attention from live agents.
Thank you, everybody, and that concludes our presentation for Desert Financial and NewTek. And for any other questions about referrals, please do feel free to reach out to myself, Miguel, or Samantha Raison. Our contact information is listed. And you always certainly have the ability of reaching out to your business development officer for any assistance as well. And again, thank you so much for allowing us to present NewTek's payroll product. For additional information, you can always reference the NewTek brochure on the marketing page on CU Online, and payroll product details on the sales enablement team page. Thank you so much.